Critical infrastructure, the lifelines of our economies and societies, and under constant threat. Drones, the latest evolution of airborne infiltration, the ability to spy, obstruct, and damage. The power to destabilize beyond its target. Because a single breach here doesn't just disrupt, it can paralyze. SCANTER Sphera 3D drone detection radar from Terma. When seconds count and there are no second chances. Built on our proven radar detection technology, this advanced drone detection delivers precision, speed and agility to protect and secure in seconds. Superior warning and simultaneous tracking in cluttered environments of even the smallest airborne threats. Longer detection range, transforming the reactive into the proactive. High confidence classification. SCANTER Sphera is easily integrated with cameras, jammers, and other types of effectors. SCANTER Sphera 3D radar builds seamless, real-time, true 360-degree situational awareness over land and water, all weathers, all the time. Future-focused, easy integration and site-specific configuration. SCANTER Sphera. More than a radar, it's future-ready protection for critical infrastructure. Seconds count. SCANTER Sphera delivers.